So imagine you're trying to play a piece or a song at 100 beats per minute, and you can almost do it. You only make a couple of mistakes along the way. Should you keep going? No. Here's why. You should only ever play as fast as you can play without making any mistakes. Now, this is less about making mistakes in music. Oh, that's a wrong note, that's a wrong rhythm. And it's actually more about your brain. Anytime you move throughout the day, it creates data for your brain to back up. So your brain keeps track of all the movements you do throughout the day, and then when you're sleeping at night, it actually rebacks up all the data so you get a double writing of all the movement data you've done for the day. Now, your brain can't tell the difference between when you've played something right and when you've played something wrong. It only knows that you've moved and it's backing up that movement. So what does this mean? Number one, you need to get good sleep, because if you don't get good sleep, you're going to miss out on that second backup of your practice throughout the day. Next, if you make a mistake while you're practicing, it actually means you're essentially making two mistakes, because you're making a mistake once while you're playing and then a second time when your brain backs that data up while you're sleeping. So, only ever play as fast as you can go without making any mistakes. For Best Music Coach, my name is Dan. I'll see you guys next time.